Hey friends, if you are looking for some gold spoons that just match the aesthetic, I do recommend these to you, and here is why. So this is a set of 6 gold spoons, and they are teaspoons. One favorite thing about them is that they are long, so the length of them helps you to reach into those taller glasses for whenever you're mixing up iced coffees or matchas, whatever that may be. This is really great for those taller glasses. Another thing is that they are dishwasher safe. So we use them in the dishwasher with no problem. You can toss them right in there. They are super cute, obviously. My only regret would be not getting more of them. So I do recommend that you get a couple of sets of them because you will be using them a lot more than you realize, whether it's for ice cream, mixing up some coffee, parties, whatever it is. They're just really cute spoons to have around. Another great thing about them is that you can keep them out in the open. So we like to keep them in a jar on our coffee bar. You can keep them on your kitchen countertops, whatever that may be. So if you can't tell, I do highly recommend them. I think you should try a couple of sets of them because you will like them a lot. So go ahead and get some of these gold teaspoons.